Hello, in this video we are going to see how to install TSCO Capacity Agent on a Linux server. In this particular video we are going to install the Capacity Agent using a shell script in a Linux machine. In my case I'm going to use the Agent 2002. This particular agent gives you the ability to install the agent in a silent mode. I'm going to untar the file right away. And within this file, I'm going to find the agent silent install options.txt file, which is a file that contains the different parameters to use or to install the agent. I'm going to use this BPA user as a perform. I did create the user perform here, and the default install location is going to be the OPT BMC Patrol 3. In this particular version, you have to make sure that this location is already created prior to installing the agent. In previous versions of TSCO, you don't have to worry about this particular location. Going back to the install, I'm going to run this command that basically is invoking the install.sh script and with the option to reach to the agent silent install options.txt file. This is what I was talking about. So you have to create the OPT BMC Patrol 3. Once you create this particular directory, you can go ahead and run the installation. So right now, what the prompt is telling me is that the installation succeed. One thing you can do in order to validate if this installation is already done is that you have to go to the same install directory. Then as a post installation task, you have to run the b1config vvvvv.sh. In my case, it's going to be the 200200. This script should be run by the root user, by the way. When this particular script is run and is finished, you can go ahead and see whether there are BGS processes running on the machine. If you get this output, this is how the Capacity Agent is installed. Right now it's running and you can use it on your gateway manager.